Okay, so obviously right here we have a bad hard drive. So today what we're going to do is we're going to crack this thing open and see what's wrong with it. So, to open this hard drive you first need two things. One, the trusty old iFixit kit. This is the TR8-bit and what we will be using to open this drive. Next thing you need is, you've probably heard that most hard drives have to be opened in a clean room, which obviously I do not have. So, enter in the fume extractor. So, all we need to do is open all of these screws here. And this should come right off. What the? Come on now. Don't be doing this to me. Sometimes you just have to give it a little more leverage. I see in there. Maybe they glue it, so we can get the slide pry tool here. And just maybe it's like a phone. Just gotta break the oh, that kind of went in right there. Break the seal. No, come off. Maybe it's just an adhesive of some kind. Oh. Okay. We'll get that in post. I didn't have those there. Okay. Let's see. Come on. There's right there. Where's that? Ah. They hide it from you. Need something to get that off with. And then you'll find your last screw underneath the tape. Right there. And then it should come. Oh god, here we go again. Round two. Right off. Alright, what do we got here? First thing you check is your filter to see if there's any debris that it may have caught during its life. And it appears clean. Oh shit. Look inside the hard disk. See if the arm has been scratching any. Just look right here. Everything seems to be in good order. Let's get a flashlight out so I can see it a little better. Oh, shit. So everything in the drive was okay. We just put all these screws back on here as such. Get in there. Sometimes you gotta use a little force. I thought these things were supposed to be magnetic. That goes over here. Yeah, that is how you fix a hard drive. Thanks for watching.